What's going on, guys? It's Caleb, and today I have an E92 BMW 335i that is in for a complete exterior detail. This one was a lot of fun because other than my own personal car, which is a Volkswagen Golf R, the BMW 335i, especially the E92 model, is by far one of my favorite looking cars ever made. And it was really an honor to be able to clean this car. I know it's just like, oh, you're washing a car? No. See, to me, it was a great time. Now you can see here we started with the wheels, then we moved to the exterior, went ahead and did a chemical decontamination on it as well. It didn't really need a full decontamination, it was in pretty good shape. But other than that, we moved to something that you guys haven't seen me do yet, which is a windshield polish, as well as a headlight restoration. Very simple process, but I will walk you through it. But as for now, I'm just going to let you guys see me do the cleaning, considering this was a very nice detail.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything.
So after I get done with the wheels, I go ahead and take the same product I used for the wheels and I use it on the exhaust tips. And with this one, you can tell it had not been cleaned in a long time. Look at my brush here. It's pretty rough.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up.
Now that the car is all clean, we move on to the chemical decontamination. This is CarPro's Iron X. Once you spray it on, it's going to bleed purple, as you can see here on the trunk, and that's to show all the contaminants relating to iron being taken away. Now, I know I wasn't going to do a mechanical decontamination, as I said, but I am on the headlights, the fog lights, and the windshield, because I'm going to be polishing those.
Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back.
Just to give you some information here on what I'm using my dual action polisher with Meguiar's microfiber cutting pad with the microfiber polish from Meguiar's as well. This combo is really good. I have a 3-inch packing plate on here with the 3-inch pad itself. Go over it for about a minute or two, wipe it away, and the headlights are beautifully restored.
No, we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay.
This is Griot's Garage's fine glass polish. Paired with their glass polishing pad on your dual action polisher, spread it onto the windshield via your actual pad, put the setting on about 5 or 6, go over the windshield applying a little bit of pressure for about a minute. It's going to take out the water spots as well as some light scratches and marring that are on your windshield.
Feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.